International students looking to take AP exams for 2024, the dates have already been released. You can fill the form starting 13th of September. Now, AP is conducted across various test centers from two ranges of date, that is from 6th May to 10th May and 13th May to 17th May. The schedule is up and live. The centers, the list of the centers are available here. Now, what is really important is who actually accepts the AP score and whether you are eligible to write AP. So, if you are looking to save your credits for your higher studies, then save your actually tuition fees, you can apply for AP. Interesting to note, many universities in India are now accepting AP scores. So even if you are planning to go for higher studies in India, private universities like Ashoka University being one of them is now accepting the AP scores. So we do have a list of universities that are accepting AP scores in India. Now, who is eligible? The list has been given here. Now, important to note is in an year, which AP combinations can you give? So it's really important to understand that calculus AB and BC cannot be given in the same year, and pre-calculus and calculus AB or BC cannot be given in the same year. All the four physics exam you can take in the same year, that is allowed, but you cannot retake an exam in the same year. You can retake the exam the next year. That's the prerequisite. Now, another important thing is when it comes to the centers, most of the centers offer nearly all the subjects. And all the subjects that you can apply for, but you would have to identify the closest center close to you and have a join code. Use that, create an account on College Board website and then use that join code to register. Once you register, you have to pay fees to the respective center and then you would be registered for your AP examination. There are two windows for registration. One is from September to November, the other begins from late November, and if you are registering in the late window, you would have to pay extra money in order to get yourself registered. Even for the fixed schedule, there is certain dates which allow for late testing, that is from May 22 to 24, in case you are not available during this period when you are writing your exam. So that's another thing that you can take into account. So wish you good luck, and in case you have any issues or any questions, feel free to connect back. Thanks for joining in today.